Hello again. Today we have PlayStation 5 Slim. Customer brought it here because the CD, the disk driver is not reading the CD. So see, as you can see, it isn't reading, it's not pulling the CD. So most likely it has mechanism problem inside, mechanical issue. So we need to open it and check it. Unplug the power cable, put it in this position. This one's the disk driver. There are 3 screws here. Yeah, this is the last one. You have to remove 4 screws in order to reach inside the disk driver. If you have any game console, Xbox, Nintendo, PlayStation, overheating, no power, motherboard issue, HDMI, charging port, we do all this replacement and repair here in the store. Okay, after we fixed disk drive, we'll test the parts together. Here we go. So now it's working. There's no any issue. If you have any PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, any game console you need repair, please visit us or just visit our website mapleplaptopservices.com. You can book an appointment and see you in the store. Thank you for watching. See you next video.